what's your name? Is it a girl? A Dean, yeah. Dean, why did you trouble? Dean, mega unpin you. Alright. Anything sunny 20. Allah, so much other son afraid I'm now. Cuss me now to my face. Alright, cuss greedy time. I'm so bad I'm brave. We are going on 9 minutes out of fame. What time now? What is story? Alright, 7:41. So 7:50. In a class, me. What call Donkey Cow? Who you call Donkey Cow? Who the cap fit make it weird? You. My you name Donkey Cow. I throw my car and I call no fault. So the blood clot fault because my car for them. Handpin sonny. She did class. And my handpin. So this class for two. Bye now, sonny. Can you explain? Alright, Tori, you wanna come and say hi to the queen? You wanna come live? You wanna explain? Yeah, we'll listen to you. I'm in a good mood. She's Jamaican. Alright. Taya, we've been good. Fuck we started no. Come Tori. Come like come read. Come explain. Lexina, come laugh up with me. Come in and know if you see my rascal, pussy tongue and drop out and never tell me. Because every minute I select a LOL. I don't lie, that's fucking intimidating. Share the laugh. Because I'm sharing my thoughts with you, lot. I want to come live. You want to come live? Okay. Friday, you look for me. Big up Taya. Alright, Taya, good as. Yes, make the old man. Tony. Yes, make we old woman. Tony, she's. What that mean? Not done. Oh, Tori, come on, Tori. Tori, be nice, you know. Come, I'm going to look you over my phone. Yankee Michelle Warmer. Yankee Michelle, you can't something of them America clothes that come give me your hot plus blood clot tax. Mr. Girl, I know you always hot for you there in England. But girl, pick up yourself. Yeah.
Queenie.
Ah!
Hey.
Jamaica, nice.
I can't hear anything.
Hello, Tori, darling. Wow, what were you doing now? What were you rooting to me for?
It's Tony. Tony. Toni.
Alright, Tony, yeah. Alright, Tony, why are you rude to me?
Not rude to you. All I'm saying is, okay, you're always saying that people are talking bad about you and they bad mind you and all of that stuff, right? So all I'm saying is, respectfully, I say this, right? I mean, you live your life how you want to live it still, right?
Yeah.
But you know, from one woman to another, truthfully, people are only going to comment what you publicize. And it's not that they're against you or bad mind you or anything like that, because I respect your flex still. But sometimes, you know, because you publicize the things that you've been through. So, I mean, again, from one woman to another, I don't condone certain things. So I'm not going to sit there. What I don't want for myself, I'm not going to be in agreement with it and sit there and big up and say yes, this, that, whatever, right? So you have to look at that. You have two different kind of royal crazies. You got the ones that are going to side with everything that you do, but then you got the royal crazy like me that's going to say, nah, not everything you do is good. You know what I mean?
Tony,
Queenie, Tony, T-O-N-I.
Tony, listen,
yes, dear. Yes,
your
honey.
opinion doesn't resolve around my life.
No, so it doesn't. It doesn't.
So my taste bud is not your taste bud. So when you not agree, if I don't agree, the fact that you not agree about my life, I can attack. That's how I look at it.
Yes,
so,
yes, but you're missing.
I respect as you said as a woman, but listen, Tony.
Yes,
we women have different tastes.
Of
Some women like when man fuck them and kill them and fuck them. Some women, from the moment you do them, some of them don't give you back no chance, darling. So, you coming and giving your opinion, I respect that. But then, Tony, you have to remember, everybody fancy tickle different.
Yes,
Some people
but what
drink
I'm
dirty water, some people have to boil the water for drinking,
yes,
baby.
I agree with that. But what I'm trying to say, the main point that I'm trying to say is that I personally, if I see you do something or post something or I make comments, I don't bad mind you for what you do or what you
All right,
say. The only thing, yeah,
you no bad mind, but in my mind, your bad mind can you trouble me.
no,
So it might
wait,
not, baby, listen, it might not be physical bad mind,
no,
darling.
I
It's just
know
come
what you
from like
mean.
a bad mouth.
Mm-hmm.
So to attack all of these comment, baby, I have to throw every little word, as I said earlier on. If somebody hits you, you have to give them like a hard blood clot link to satisfy
Yes,
yourself, and that's
sometimes you have to get a one blood clot lick, yes, but sometimes you know what? In this life, you just pick your battles. But I just wanted to let you, differently speaking, I
yeah.
mind you. I'm just
All
like,
right, Tony, let me
you
tell you
know,
something. I like you.
yeah.
Let me tell you something, baby girl. I like you.
Me,
You have a little
I listen,
decency. You have a
yeah.
little decency about you, and I have to respect that because everybody's not boogie yaga.
Yeah, but don't get me wrong. Still, if you draw me out, if them draw me out on
Yes,
street,
that's why
then
I'm
it's a
saying liquid.
different
You know what I
story.
said? I make
Mm-hmm.
sure I categorize it. I said you have a little decency. So what you do, you choose your
Yes,
decency
for
before
sure.
you get awful. Me now, Queenie,
Mm-hmm.
me choose my
Mm-hmm.
awfulness before me do decent. But I
Right.
have decent as well, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
big up
Mm-hmm.
yourself. Yeah,
Big
no
up
grudge. So even though
yourself.
I say bad man, you see, me not even care of them bad man. My mouth just bad and me just talk any blood clotting when them trouble me. So it don't really
Yeah,
mean
I
to
hear
say
you.
me believing in my heart say them bad man. Me have some people who are really bad man, but sometimes some people say comment as I said to what me put out, they will respond back to it. So it don't
Yeah,
really mean to say a
exactly.
bad man, you know. But me as a move on a bad minded blood
Okay.
clot. I wait me I take off of my tone. Enough time I chew them attack. But me no want to hear that blood clot. You understand?
Well, that's what everybody. Well, they say the truth always hurts us, right? So none of us,
There you go. And
and
it's not
as
everybody truth you want to hear, baby. So you have to shut down them blood clots at the
that.
mouth. But you don't want to hear it. But in your heart, you know, say fucking truth them attack, but you don't want them rub it into it. You understand,
No,
baby? Yeah, man.
I hear you. I
It's
hear
not
you.
really
Still.
nothing personal. It's like a game we're playing because when the phone lock off and the data lock off,
Mm-hmm.
everybody has to get out with them life. And not until you
Absolutely.
come. Thank you. And not until you come back by Instagram. Come here, tell you, baby. The amount of rascal thing I've been for the last couple of days. Nobody in the world know more than me and who do it. You understand?
Right.
So
Right.
there's
That's
many
true.
things to
That's
like.
true.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
man.
true.
It's just the
But I also
Instagram
want to.
network.
Mm-hmm. But I also want to say
I'm
one thing though, because
appreciate. Yeah, go on.
I I'm from Canada still, but you know what? I know you talked about you didn't get your visa to come to Canada, but on a serious note, if that's what you want to do, you want to travel for whatever your past history is, you should go start looking about getting a pardon, because that's the only way you're going to be able to get your Canadian and American visa. If you don't get that pardon, you won't be able to
Yeah.
travel here. I don't know how much, like, I don't know what their process is, but that and when you have time, I think that's something that you should look into, and that's the only way you'll be able to
Them
travel
a
to.
pardon me, man. Never get the pardon, never get the visa.
You're gonna you're
Yeah?
gonna do it, yeah, man, do it, because you're not the only one that has a criminal record. There's enough people, so, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Blessed love, Tony. I big up yourself, yeah?
All right, you too, and take care. Stay safe.
Queen Wave Girl
Bye.
Power.
Queen Wave, girl power.
Yeah, Tony brave. I like blood clot, Tony. When I move on a
Hang
dirty blood
me up. I
clot.
don't know how to disconnect it.
Me like Tony. Tony, see what she want to say? And when she see when we say attack, she just say, let her come live and tell him my mind. I like that. That's some people for straight blood clot forward. So if she tell me no woman I like, I say, Tony, but don't be the I'm still listen. Some people feel like them too big for listen. And you're never too old to learn. And a madman can teach you something in it. Tony, big up yourself, my soul reach Canada. Thanks for accepting me. Big up yourself, my soul reach Canada. They have to pardon me because just my spirit and my energy alone. Them see man I go see me and say, no man, me I get a child. I tell you, I go on more shoplifting record, man. But them part me, I ain't glad enough. But I rang the whole time. Police record me sent to them. But it's alright. Everything, not come easy in a life. Everything is a struggle. So, never give up. Should I cuss her? No, I'm not cuss her. I work with my spirit. One little girl come from my life when they went to 9, so she's 19. She come and question me, big married woman. She not married. She don't have no man, not no rank. I'm a girl power. And she asked me a question. Then when I asked her, she asked me the question if you think all men cheat. I said yes. At some point in time. Because if you're there with them throughout a duration of time, cheating are going to come involved. She said she don't believe that. The conversation go on, and my husband intervened and said something, and she insulted him, said she don't want no advice from him. And I find that very rude. I will not sit down and tolerate no one to insult my husband. And me as a speaker, I sit down and take it. I give her a time, I'm doing a pure of mind. And she still go on blood clot. And when me look, me soon I put blood clot dribble around Chantel's neck. And I put soda in her mouth. Dribble her from Sunday to blood clot Monday, like you tell me for blood clot. Put you have done this, me dirty blood clot, how much time on this. You understand? And my back lit out to do not come a ras clot. I say, sweet bill, I try no dirty blood clot, my blacker. Anyway, they continue. My TV. Whenever I want to lock it off, I will fucking lock off my television. Hello, if I did what play the song, what I'm lion melter. Friday, what you really want me to play the song? Your dirty husband this year. Your dirty mama, your dirty papa this year. If your father never fuck your mother and this your blood clot mother, you couldn't come here to come tell me about my husband.
I smell the blood clot self, make you refer to me, girl. I want you can smell me through food.
My husband dirty like your dirty blood clot, mama, your dirty blood clot father when I teach you the manners and I tell you, you not forget involved in a manner, husband and blood clot, wife, your dirty
wash from morning.
Your big sour crutches where you know watch. Move your dirty blood clot. You put the dirty light on a river tan.
Who the fuck is it? You know about this?
Fuck that.
And every day people run blood clot dirty too, yeah?
Move your blood clot.
Right now, I love Jamaica water, you fuck.
Jamaica land we love.
Nowhere in the world you're not going to find Jamaica water. Know that. Anytime I catch up blood clot, I went to myself. And if I one time the blood clot there, still have to get that with Philly there. So don't come bright and pass this place, Bob. I want here. No bomber pussy can say them smell me. I want here. I sell me can't tell
all if your blood clots, can I hear a place to come over here, come call him dirty. Unless him they bring him dirty blood clot, if I when him they cheat I never wash him, but told him they tell you lick it out while you know them dirty, you stink and rude no blood clot.
How much me have to pay my God? What do you cheese them there?
But on the phone fire dinner that. The phone 18 I'm on it. And it hook up to the car. What's wrong on the song, man? You over either. You tell me about give 5 bits, maybe you over, so make sure you give me back by one. You have the next one.
Long John.
Yeah, idiot, man.
You want it?
Well, if you not tell yourself to tell me something, you should have sit by it. You fucking idiot. It's for that Friday, isn't it? And tomorrow, if God was out like man. If God was like man, there you go, my dear. If God was like man, get up and judge people and root people and tell them what they want to do. Crazy never blood clot. I know about one on a blood clot, man. We're going to study water for sperm. Wash your clothes in a dirty for the water and drink gate for drink for blood clot from. You know about your man, you come and call my husband dirty, your bride in a blood clot. Stink! Like I on my arm right now. My arm don't have no blood clot, baby, right now, like me. Stink. Alright, somebody come talk to me. Stop cuss Queenie. Queenie don't cuss. Make it nice for her kids. Yeah, we're doing a private blood clot business. I share up my pussy clot. Like when Jesus I feel share up the fish and bread. That's every blood clot minute, you know, just a share. The fish and bread can't done. Look how much in the years ago Jesus fish and bread done. And phone own can blood clot and then just a share. Them this. But think could reach a nigga already. Hello somebody. Fish and bread, fish and bread. Eat fish and bread. I have a nice time. Alex, what, mom?
Crazy, never bumbo pussy
Rascal, lazy.
No, that.
But now laugh. I laugh. Mustard with no sense. Remember, Sharon left poor time dancer to go be with blood, with dude. So I'm to blood clot that. I got alone can't drape me. No blood clot man on earth can't drape me to that. I mean, I'm going to decide that. No man can't drape me. And my daughter, I'm going to run left.